Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and this is our Hario Mizudashi Cold Brew Brewing Guide. So to get started, we have the large Mizudashi that has a 1,000 milliliter capacity. We have 80 grams of coffee ground at a medium setting, and we have 1,000 milliliters of water. If you were using the smaller version of the Mizudashi, you can just cut this recipe in half. So it's very simple to get started. You just remove the lid, you add the 80 grams of coffee to the basket. Make sure to get all of it in there, level the grounds, and then I have my water in Chemex because it makes it easier to pour. And we're gonna add the 1,000 milliliters of water directly to the grounds. You can and need to pour gradually, just to let it all make its way through the coffee grounds. And you can see how all of the grounds are fully saturated. Pour the last little bit. So at this point, we're just waiting for the rest of the water to make its way through the grounds. It should fill all the way up, and then we will put a lid on it and stick it in the fridge overnight to cool, and it will continue to brew as an immersion method and will become more flavorful and full-bodied and less watery. Okay, so this was a previously prepared cold brew that we did yesterday. This is what it'll look like when it's complete. So once you pull it out of the refrigerator, you can remove the grounds. You can even pop the little lid back on, make sure there's no residue. Yeah, we're gonna leave it off. And let's give it a try. For the simplicity of this is a pretty great cold brew. So you can find the Hario Mizudashi online at primacoffee.com, and be sure to check out the Prima Coffee community for more exclusive content, and I'll see you next time.